Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome. Now welcome back all my subscribers. I really appreciate you guys. Now if this is your first time watching my channel, a warm welcome to you. Just feel at home. Look below, you're going to see the word subscribe. Click on it and you will be subscribed. Also at the side there's a little bell. If you click on that, you will get a notification each time I upload a video. Today guys is not a facial mask. I'm going to be rolling out a few facial masks that are basically great to use whenever, but more so perfect for the warmer months. Now this facial mask is not any old facial mask, guys. This is an anti-aging facial mask that is filled with a lot of natural ingredients that are known to tighten the skin, to hydrate the skin, and also to have your skin soft, supple, and radiant. Now, if you're looking for all of that, if you're looking to have yourself looking years younger by using this on a regular, then continue watching the video.
So, our first ingredient is rice, and you can use rice of your choice. What I'm going to do with this rice, I'm going to blend the rice, and this is our blended rice. You just put it in your blender and blend it to a nice powder. Our next ingredient is tomato, and I'm going to be blending the tomato also, and this is our tomato puree. Just chop, put it in your blender and blend for a few seconds. Our third ingredient is yogurt. Now if you're vegan, you could use some coconut cream, okay? And our final ingredient is rose water. If you do not have the rose water, do not worry, okay? You could leave it out, but if you have it, go ahead and use it. So now I'm going to put this together. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of blended rice. 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons. Really rounded tablespoons, really pack it up, of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of our tomato puree, and really pack this also, and 1 teaspoon of rose water. And now we're going to mix this together. Just take your time. Do not blend this. Just slowly mix it in, okay? And this smells really, really great. You could smell the rose water. I think the combination of the rose water and the tomato with the yogurt gives this a wonderful smell. We're going to store this in a glass jar. So you're just going to pour it in. Make sure to get everything out. Now because you have the tomato in this, you can actually keep this in your refrigerator for at least 4 to 5 days. Okay? So you don't want to make too much. Now in 4 to 5 days, you could use it 2 to 3 times. Alright? And here we have our facial mask. Now I'm going to move on to show you how you can use this facial mask on your skin.
Now before you apply this facial mask, you want to prepare your skin. To prepare your skin, you need to exfoliate the skin. Now if you exfoliate the skin on a regular, then you're good to go. You just go ahead and wash your face, pat dry, and then you apply the facial mask. Now, if you do not exfoliate your skin as often as you should, to get the full benefit of this facial mask, you need to exfoliate the skin. And exfoliating the skin is just getting rid of all the dead skin cells on the surface of the skin. It is also getting rid of the clogged pores, and it's just going to leave your skin just clean and fresh to absorb the facial mask. So I've already exfoliated my skin, and now I'm pat drying my skin. You don't want to apply it with water on your skin, so just pat dry. And then you apply your facial mask. Now for this facial mask, I like to use a brush for application. If you do not have a brush, no problem. Just dip your hands in and just, you know, apply it all over your face. So now I'm just gonna dip in, and as usual, if you are not using the entire thing, do not dip your brush in. Just pour some in a container and use it from there. Close your jar and put it away. And this facial mask, you could store it in your refrigerator for about 3 to 4 days. The amount I made, you can use it twice or maybe 3 times, okay? Now you need to use this facial mask for best result at least 2 to 3 times per week. So when you make a batch, just use it up for the week, 3 days, and you will be good to go. Now I'm gonna apply my mask. So I like to give it a little stir before I apply it. And it's very soft. It's not a thick facial mask, so be careful. You might, you know, make a mess. So then you're just gonna apply it on your face. And oh, you could smell the rose water in this. Nice. Very, very pleasant. Very, very pleasant. So you just apply your facial mask over your entire face. Ooh, wow, nice. Now a lot of times, because you're using natural ingredient to make these masks, you might think that they don't have pleasant smell, but I'm telling you, it is so pleasant. It's light and it have a really nice fragrant, and what this fragrant is doing is just helping you to relax even more, you know. So you're getting the full benefit of this mask, not only on your skin, but also it's just helping to calm you. So if you're in a lousy mood, this is the facial mask for you, because as soon as you start to use it, you're gonna feel so relaxed, so calm, and that's gonna take years off your life. Believe it or not, if you could try to calm yourself down a little more, you would be amazed at how wonderful and younger you look just by relaxing. Okay, so this mask I already did. I went down on my neck. Don't forget your neck, okay? Always remember to go down on your neck and décolleté area. So I'm putting this under my eyes also, and you could do that. Just don't let it get in your eyes, because it have the rice in it and the granules from the rice. You don't want to get it in your eyes, but you could go as close as possible. All right, now after you apply this mask, oh wonderful guys, really, really nice, really, really nice. For under 50, this mask is for you. It's gonna do a wonderful job on your skin. Now guess what? If you're over 50, this mask is a must. Okay? This is an anti-aging facial mask that's gonna tighten your skin. It's gonna help to get rid of fine lines and wrinkles. It's gonna leave your skin refreshed. And not only that, it is gonna give your skin a wonderful glow. So rice has been using for years and years and years on the skin. As a matter of fact, there's so many stuff on the market with rice that is great for the skin. So if you have rice, don't be afraid to go mix your rice with some aloe and some, you know, whatever it is you could get your hands on, or just use this recipe and apply it to your face and you will be amazed. Okay, now what it look like after I apply it to the skin, and I'm gonna sit with this for about 30 minutes. Now if you have more time, hey, go ahead, sit with this for 45 minutes on the skin, and then you're gonna rinse off. So I'm gonna sit with this for about 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you what it looked like, and then I'm gonna rinse it off. Okay, now it has been 30 minutes and I'm gonna come closer for you to see what it looked like on my skin. It's a little dry, you can actually feel it. That's a good thing. It is helping to tighten the skin. So now I'm going to rinse this off and I will be back. Now look at this, guys. Now look at this. Now after rinsing, what you do next, you apply your favorite facial toner. Now if you do not have a facial toner, go ahead and apply your favorite serum, and then you apply your moisturizer. I'm going to be applying my facial toner since I like to do this. So I put a little of my facial toner and then I just apply it to the skin. And then you're gonna move on to your facial serum or your facial moisturizer. Now, I'm just gonna add just a little of my facial serum. And on my channel, I have some wonderful facial serum. You could check them out. I'll put a few of the link in the description box below. And to apply my serum, I'm just gonna pat it on my skin. My neck, and I'm gonna let the serum sit on my skin for a few minutes. You could just leave it there, go about, you know, and do some stuff, 10 minutes or so, and then you come back. And if you want to use a facial moisturizer, go ahead and apply your favorite moisturizer. Now, as usual, when you're applying your moisturizer, this is the time you take to massage it on your skin, giving your skin a mini facial massage.
Rice. Rice's natural anti-aging and oil-absorbing properties make it good for oily or acne-prone and dull, mature skin. It is also a good anti-inflammatory and skin whitening agent that smooths sunburned skin and makes skin smooth and fairer. Tomato. These are rich in vitamin C, which is great for the development of the skin as well as its health. Tomato juice also contains bleaching properties and can be used to lighten the skin naturally. Rose water. Rose water helps maintain the skin pH balance and also controls excess oil. Rose water has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce the redness of irritated skin, get rid of acne, dermatitis, and eczema. Due to the astringent-like properties it possesses, rose water helps to clean pores and tone the skin. Yogurt. Yogurt contains lactic acid and alpha-hydroxy acid that helps to smooth rough, dry skin and prevent premature aging, such as fine lines and wrinkles and age spots. Lactic acid also helps to dissolve dead skin that accumulate in the pores, causing a dull and cakey appearance, and aid in closing large pores, making your skin look younger.
There you have it. Go ahead and try this wonderful facial mask. Now, if this is the first time watching, don't forget, you like this video, you need to see more of these videos. Look below, you're going to see the word subscribe. Click on it and you will be subscribed. And guess what? If you want to know the exact time that I post a video, look, you're going to see a little bell at the side. If you click on that, you will get a notification as soon as I upload a video. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.